Hello and welcome to the Matthias iOS Development Show with me, Matthias, your iOS developer. And today we want to talk about how we can take an array of strings and combine those into an actual displayable sentence, which is also based on the language your device is set in or the locale it's set in, which I think is really an amazing feature. So let's start. We have an array here with four names: Mark, Susie, Anthony, Karen. Those are strings. And as you all probably know, we can combine those arrays into a nice display thing. So we can say join those with a separator, and then we say comma, space to separate those things. And if we run that, we will get a new array, but with a comma in between and a space or separator, but not the last one, which is already useful for many applications. Now we can go one step further. We can say, okay, turn this into a thing where it says Mark, Susie, Anthony, and Karen. Which if you were to do this manually, this would be a rather ugly code, but there's already a default feature in Swift. What you gotta do is write list formatter localized string by joining our array. And if we run this now, we see it says, hey, Mark, Susie, Anthony, and Karen, which is already amazing. Now we can go one step further. We can actually change manually the locale our thing is set in. So this will default to the set locale. And we can test this out, or if you want to manually override it with a bit of a different thing. There we gotta define our formatter first. Make a list formatter. Yeah, that was correct. And then we set the locale of this formatter to locale identifier. Let's start with Spanish. But then we gotta access it differently by saying string from our array. And this can fail, so we are force casting this. And what we get is this nice phrase where it says Mark, Susie, Anthony, y Karen. Holy hell, it works in Spanish, isn't it nice? Now let's try some other languages. We can try French. And we get displayed in French. Let's try German. And we get us also displayed in German, which is really amazing. Now this does not work for every word, like semantically, you gotta figure out what you want. This works for names, great. This works greatly for names, and probably numbers as well, if there's like a case where you want to list some numbers. The moment you put like a list of things with an article in front of it, where you say the car and the boat, for example, there's a huge chance that this might grammatically not work out. So this isn't a catch-all solution for everything, but I feel this should be used more often because it's such a nice and elegant feature, which we totally should do. Yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.